Welcome to our channel. Today we how to recover from debt with Credit Karma, quick tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by visiting the Credit Karma website or opening the mobile app. Sign up for a free account if you don't already have one. Log in to your account using your credentials. Once you're logged in, navigate to your dashboard. Take a moment to review your credit score and report. Identify any areas where you may have outstanding debts. Explore the debt repayments section for personalized recommendations. Utilize the debt calculator to determine a feasible repayment plan. Add your debts into the calculator, including totals and interest rates. Evaluate the suggested repayment strategies. Consider choosing a method that works best for your financial situation, such as the snowball or avalanche method. Set up automatic payments to ensure you stay on track. Monitor your spending by linking your bank accounts to Credit Karma. Track your progress monthly on the dashboard. If you encounter obstacles, explore additional resources Credit Karma offers for financial education. Adjust your debt repayment plan as necessary based on your progress. Celebrate small victories along the way to stay motivated. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.